Today we are making popular Indian item, Palak Paneer in instant pot. This one pot meal is very healthy and has lip-smacking flavors. If you like this recipe, please hit the like button. For more recipes, subscribe to Flavors Family. Set instant pot on saute mode. Add 2 tablespoons ghee, sliced onion and grated ginger. Mix well and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Add tomato, mix and cook for 3 to 4 minutes more. Add turmeric, coriander powder, red chili powder, garam masala and salt. Mix spices. Add spinach and a half cup water. Mix all the ingredients well. Cancel saute mode on instant pot. Close lid and set instant pot on pressure cook mode for 1 minute. Release pressure manually and open lid. Blend all ingredients together using a hand blender. Add paneer cubes and mix. Palak paneer is ready. Serve hot with roti and rice.